Hello students, welcome to today's class. All of you must have seen your parents bring grocery every month. Grocery contains many things like rice, wheat flour, pulses, turmeric, salt, spices, etc. You would have helped your parents to keep grocery. Can you lift all of them together? I guess no. Also, it is difficult to lift a rice sack as compared to the salt packet because rice sack weight is more than salt packet. Dear students, today we are going to discuss how heavy and how light are the things. Now I tell you a story of two boys, Jajju and Manu. Jajju and Manu are helping their father in shifting house. They loaded many things like
Hello friends, this is your Jaju. This is your Manu.
And I am their father. Did you guys know that we are shifting our house? Come on kids, let's make a list of things we have got to shift.
Okay Dad. There are many things to be loaded. So, let's start. 5 bags of wheat. 1 water tank. 3 tables. 1 almirah. 4 chairs. 2 mattresses. 1 bamboo ladder. Some pots and pans. 3 sacks of rice.
Good work kids. Now let's load them into the horse cart. The horse cart is waiting outside.
The horse is refusing to move ahead.
The horse is not well. It won't be able to pull a load more than 700 kilograms.
How heavy is the load?
Then Jajju's and Manu's father gave them some idea of the weight of each thing loaded on the horse cart. He told them that a sack of wheat weight is 100 kg, a sack of rice weight is 35 kg, water tank weight is 50 kg, almirah weight is 70 kg, a table weight is 10 kg, a chair weight is 5 kg, a mattress weight is 20 kg, bamboo ladder weight is 10 kg, pots and pans weight is 10 kg. Now students, help Jajju and Manu in finding how much weight they had loaded on the horse cart. Let us find the total weight loaded on the horse cart. A sack of wheat weight is 100 kg and there are total 5 sacks of wheat on the horse cart. So, the total weight of the 5 sacks of wheat is 100 into 5 is equal to 500 kg. A sack of rice weight is 35 kg and there are total 3 sacks of rice on the horse cart. So, the total weight of 3 sacks of rice is 35 into 3 is equal to 105 kg. A water tank weight is 50 kg and there is one water tank on the horse cart. So, the total weight of one water tank is 50 into 1 is equal to 50 kg and almirah weight is 70 kg and there is one almirah on the horse cart. So, the total weight of one almirah is 70 into 1 is equal to 70 kg. One table weight is 10 kg and there are 3 tables on the horse cart. So, the total weight of 3 tables is 10 into 3 is equal to 30 kg. One chair weight is 5 kg and there are 4 chairs on the horse cart. So, the total weight of 4 chairs is 5 into 4 is equal to 20 kg. A mattress weight is 20 kg and there are 2 mattresses on the horse cart. So, the total weight of 2 mattresses is 20 into 2 is equal to 40 kg. A bamboo ladder weight is 10 kg and there is one bamboo ladder on the horse cart. So, the total weight of one bamboo ladder is 10 into 1 is equal to 10 kg and there are pots and pans of 10 kg on the horse cart. So, total weight loaded on the cart is equal to weight of 5 sacks of wheat plus weight of 3 sacks of rice plus weight of 1 water tank plus weight of 1 almirah plus weight of 3 tables plus weight of 4 chairs plus weight of 2 mattresses plus weight of 1 bamboo ladder plus weight of pots and pans. So, total weight loaded on the cart is equal to weight of 5 sacks of wheat is 500 kg. So, 500 kg plus weight of 3 sacks of rice is 105 kg. So, plus 105 kg, weight of 1 water tank is 50 kg. So, plus 50 kg, weight of 1 almirah is 70 kg. So, plus 70 kg, weight of 3 tables is 30 kg. So, plus 30 kg, weight of 4 chairs is 20 kg. So, plus 20 kg, weight of 2 mattresses is 40 kg. So, plus 40 kg, weight of 1 bamboo ladder is 10 kg. So, plus 10 kg, weight of pots and pans is 10 kg. So, plus 10 kg. If you add the total weight of the things that are loaded by Jajju and Manu on the horse cart is 835 kg. Dear students, now you help Jajju and Manu in finding out how much weight they remove from the horse cart so that horse cart move. Total weight loaded on the cart is 835 kg. The weight horse can pull is equal to 700 kg. So, minimum weight to be removed is equal to total weight loaded on the cart minus the weight horse can pull. Total weight loaded on the cart is 835 kg. So, 835 kg minus the weight horse can pull is 700 kg. So, minus 700 kg and 835 kg minus 700 kg is equal to 135 kg. So, now we have find that 135 kg weight should be removed by the Jajju and Manu from the horse cart so that horse cart can move. Now, Manu and Jajju decided that to move some things from the horse cart so that horse cart can move. Dear students, help Jajju and Manu in finding out what are the things they can remove from the horse cart so that horse cart can move, and also the weight should not be less than 700 kg. The minimum weight to be removed from the cart is 135 kg. So, we have to choose the things to be removed from the horse cart such that their total weight is 135 kg. Let us start. If we remove a sack of wheat and a sack of rice, then weight of one sack of wheat is 100 kg, weight of one sack of rice is 35 kg. So, total weight removed is equal to 100 kg plus 35 kg is equal to 135 kg. Let us take another example. If we remove an almirah, a sack of rice and 3 tables, then weight of one almirah is equal to 70 kg, weight of one sack of rice is 35 kg, weight of one table is 10 kg. So, weight of 3 tables is given by 3 into weight of one table, that is equal to 3 into weight of one table is 10 kg. So, 3 into 10 kg is equal to 30 kg. So, total weight removed is equal to weight of an almirah plus weight of a sack of rice plus weight of 3 tables. So, in this case total weight removed is weight of an almirah is 70 kg. So, 70 kg plus weight of a sack of rice is 35 kg. So, plus 35 kg, weight of 3 tables is 30 kg. So, plus 30 kg. Now, 70 kg plus 35 kg plus 30 kg is equal to 135 kg. So, in this case also horse cart can move. Dear student, is there any other combination of things is possible, so that these things Jajju and Manu remove from the horse cart and horse cart can move? Think and try to find out other combinations if possible. Dear students, can you find out the things that are easily loaded by Jajju and Manu in the horse cart? Chairs and pots and pans are easily loaded by the Jajju and Manu in the horse cart, because these are light objects, whereas a sack of wheat, a sack of rice and almirah is difficult to load, since these are heavy objects in comparison to each other. The things which are loaded by Jajju and Manu in the horse cart are heavy and big in size, like almirah, a sack of wheat, water tank. To measure these big and heavy things, we required big balance. Manu and Jajju have also made a balance.
So, as we saw, the weight is more than the capacity of the horse. That is why the horse is not able to move forward. Let's reduce the weight and keep moving.
Bye friends.
Now, you also make your balance and write down different steps you followed to make it. Dear students, in today's class you have learned how heavy and how light are the objects, and you categorized different objects whether they are heavy or light, and also you have categorized different objects if they are more than 2 on the basis of heavy, heavier, heaviest. Thank you, students.